guys to show you, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys one of my new favorite dishes here, a couple of them, and definitely for one is the jarish. So you eat it with bread like that. Bismillah. And they cook it for so long until it becomes like a creamy texture. Now the ash. Now traditionally ash has Persian style noodles in it, but this has no noodles. It's just such a healthy, delicious comfort food. Pickle fork. Water. Now this meal will keep you full for a long time. It's full of protein, healthy fibers. I love how unprocessed the food is. Coming from a place where there's so much processed food, like even in the grocery stores here, you won't find highly processed packaged foods.